our Secretary for Women Affairs, who's a leader in Nairobi, Honorable Cecilia, and our MCAs from Nairobi County, Director Higgins, who's our Director of Elections and also the Deputy Executive Director, Director Sam Mwangi, Sawe. I'm joined by Ngunyi. We can see Director Kibet is also there and others. And I can see Director, where's Director Nathaniel? Okay. Asanteni. So I will start. I will read a statement, and then I will talk a bit on one or two other issues, and then hopefully we will field some questions. 27th February 2026, emphatic, decisive, triumphant. With valor and gallantry, the Yellow Army, that's the UDA, grassroots formation, has once again failed the paper tigers, content creating, rudderless, clueless, visionless, online warriors, tribal, parochial saboteurs, spineless surrogates of past regimes manufactured by a destructive media, operating aimlessly and tactlessly as a disjointed opposition, intent on scuttling by reversing the most bold, courageous, and most progressive socio-economic revolution in independent Kenya that has restored dignity and inclusivity at the behest of their patrons who represent the ugliest faces of status quo. A saddening, nauseating galaxy of remnants of past regimes without any track record, as you know, some of them from Sekuru, house niggers they are, representing an unholy camaraderie, hoping to halt Kenya's most progressive transformation. In consolidating these historic triumphs over the malicious and reactionary intents, the United Democratic Alliance, UDA, its leadership, President William Samoei Ruto, its deputy leadership, His Excellency the Fire, takes this early opportunity to thank and congratulate all Kenyans who turned out yesterday, 26th February 2026, to exercise their cardinal democratic right to elect their leaders. They have bestowed trust and confidence in UDA and our candidates by voting them into office in a victory most decisive, most resounding, and politically domineering over other rudderless political formations. And you do realize, in November I was here again, we scored 17 out of 24 victories as the broad-based. Today, 4 out of 4. Lakini, munakaa kwa social media, mukijiambia, iko kitu nyingine. Therefore, we warmly welcome and congratulate Honorable Tubi Mohamed Tubi for a decisive victory in Isiolo South Parliamentary seat, alongside Eliphas Kanainga Njiru, Honorable Duncan Muratia Nyaga, and Honorable Peterson Njeru for their decisive victories in West Kabras, Evrore, and Muminji wards, respectively. I mean Shagalacha, Elfas Kainanga Shalacha, Honorable Duncan Muratia Nyaga, and Honorable Peterson Njeru for their victories in West Kabras, Evrore, and Muminji wards, respectively. And these are diverse parts of Kenya. Wajua Kalonzo akikuwa na by-election anasimamisha Ukambani peke yake, sio? Sisi we run everywhere. This clean sweep across the board in all elective seats